Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. All my trees are in the deep winter hibernation now, except of those which are in the shop. Today we will wake up this tree, this Sylvestris pine, which is from one of my international customers' collection. This is a big, elegant tree, and my task is to wire and style it. This will not be the first styling of this tree. And how do I know that? There are some signs of wire on the branches which are already bent down directly from the trunk, and that is the most important thing and quality of this tree. Maybe this quality is not visible right now in all this greenery in this bush, but my job is to bring out these nice lines. So my plan is to thin out the branches, to compact the tree as much as possible and put some empty spaces into the crown to bring out those lines. Okay, let me start with the bottom branch. I will prepare it for wiring with plucking the old needles and cutting some minor branches. I am removing quite a lot of greenery, but this is necessary if I want to make the crown lighter, as the trunk is really elegant. The first stage of restyling this tree is done. I cut a lot of greenery and I am still not done because I'm thinking about to cut more. Especially I have in mind this big branch here, but I will talk about this later. Now just let me wire the first branch at the bottom and we will see from there. You can support us in 3 ways: by becoming the member of this channel, and with that you will have the early access to the videos. Then you can buy some merch from our web shop, or you can simply click the thanks button below. Okay, it is time to talk about this branch, as I promised at the beginning. The problem is that the 4 branches are growing from one spot on the trunk here. This is the problematic spot, and in long term this means that the trunk will swell there and it will gain the reverse tapering, which is not good, of course. Also, the crown is still too dense and too heavy for the slim trunk. So after careful analysis, I decided to cut that branch off. Time for some final thoughts. I think that I achieved the goals. We have now here the tall, elegant tree with tender movement and with cascading branches which are mimic the natural growth of Scots pines in nature. The silhouette of the tree beautifully catches the spirit of the Scots pines. I hope that you enjoyed the video, enjoyed the process of restyling of this tree. Thanks for all your support and see you all in the next one.